Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Well, what a view, eh? Look at that. At that world famous signpost. We're only 12 miles away. No, 13 miles away.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's go and put this sticker on the famous board.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Well, Psychic, that's now our second little find. We've had the little first lock, and now the first ever little kind of ruins of a village on side of a cliff.
Yeah, I mean, and that's the first place we've stopped. There's been other places we could have stopped. I mean, it's just like everywhere you go, everywhere you look, there's something you can stop and go and have a look at.
Absolutely. There was a castle we didn't stop at because it was, for me, too touristy. We passed as well. But then what little gem will we find now? We've got 45 miles left until we get to John O'Groats. And then we might find something else on the way. I don't know about you, but I am dying for a coffee now.
Yeah, no, that would have been nice. Oh, look, tea room's 2 miles away. That'd be nice. There we go. Little tea room's coming up.
Perfect. Little coffee there, and then we'll continue on this. I mean, let's be honest, it's a really relaxing route.
But yeah, it is. It's just nice. We're having a nice, comfortable little ride, taking it all in. It's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely not technical at all. The tarmac, again, being a main A road is lovely, and it's big, open, wide roads. Lots of different places to overtake. You don't really, so far, get stuck behind anything. It's just absolutely spot on.
So what have you had?
Nothing.
You've already eaten some, haven't you?
Yeah.
But what is it?
Cabana slice.
Cabana slice.
Yeah.
Is
like
it?
Cocoa
Is it
Cabana.
really nice?
It's really nice.
Are you loving it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I've gone for the Pavlova because we've gone posh now. Because we're now with a hero that only eats in fancy places. We've gone really posh.
Yeah.
Get the.
You're not allowed to eat in mine.
That's nut cream. That.
Nut cream.
Yeah. It's highly skilled to milk nuts. Yeah.
Wow, there you
That's something
go.
about that. Yeah.
Nut cream Pavlova. I'm looking forward to that. So that road just over there is actually the road that we rode down, and then the coffee shop, cafe, tea room, whatever it is just at the bottom. And then we sweep up this amazing road just behind us, what is literally just picturesque, hairpin bends, really quick to the top. And then you find this. How glorious is that for a view? Scotland just doesn't stop giving, and more and more and more. I'm just wow, just simply wow.
Well, what a view, eh? Look at that.
Yes, what a view.
breathtaking. Anyway, shall we get going? Now, what I wanted to talk to you about was I love that coffee. I love the cake. That was really nice. A good stop.
Yeah.
But it's time now to hack some more miles down. We've got 43 miles from here. But if we see anything pretty, we're stopping.
Yeah, it's like every 5 minutes. Stop there, let's stop there. It's amazing, this place is.
That's the problem though, isn't it? It literally is, you're right. Every little bit you do is another place.
Stop.
Here we go then. What a road. What a beautiful road.
What a road, what fantastic scenery, just everything. Scotland is absolutely amazing.
Mate, this is what the big adventure's all about, mate. And I've done that. And now we're coming back to make it bigger and better. Now, I'm really looking forward for the end of today. My ultimate mission is to get that picture at that world famous signpost,
Yeah.
stick that sticker on, get the ultimate thumbnail for this video, and just get there for that first ever part to this adventure.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you.
Well, mate, we've just gone off of the A9 and we've gone on to the A99. I am a little bit disappointed it's not the A69er, but we've got the A99. We're only 12 miles away. No, 13 miles away from our John O'Groats, the big moment I've been dreaming about. So I'm proper excited. I don't know about you.
Yeah, no, it's not far off now. It's been a nice, gentle, easy ride here along some fantastic roads. And yeah, it's loving life, but it is looking like the weather's going to change soon, so...
Yeah, we were expecting a lot more rain, so we've been really lucky up to now, but we do know that there is a rainstorm coming.
there's a storm brewing.
There is a storm brewing, that's right, boy. But, so, yeah, but I would say from where we set off last to here, other than a castle, there's a tourist, obviously, attraction in an actual town, I'd say that we actually haven't... I wouldn't say there's any more stop-off points where we've gone, we must stop. So that last sort of, 30-something miles is nice, but not as nice as the beginning.
Yeah, no, that's right.
Anyway, more miles. Let's keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to enter John O'Groats.
John O'Groats!
How cool is this? This is a moment. Can you send off like fireworks and we'll have the hula girls dancing and stuff?
Yeah, wow.
Right, let's go and find the most famous ever spot in the entire world. And you can give me a proper man hug.
Maybe not.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost.
Well, we made it all the way to John O'Groats. We got our picture, we got to see it, and now it's time to put the sticker on. And it's a big moment because anybody that comes, at least before it gets a sticker over it, gets to see this. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go and put this sticker on the famous board. Well, sidekick, we made it
Yeah.
all the way here, and then it started raining.
To be fair, I mean, the last few miles we've seen that cloud coming across, haven't we? So we've done well. But yeah, we're at the famous John O'Groats sign.
We've put our famous sticker on, and now there's only one more thing to do, mate. Pub.
Aye.
Let's go to the pub.
To
It
the
was
pub.
emotional. Let's go.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine.